How to set up a new Google account on your Android device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Today's video is about how you guys can set up a Google account on your Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's begin. First step. Locate your Settings app and then tap on Settings. After you're on your settings, you will need to head over to the Accounts option. So search for Accounts on your settings. There you can see Password, Passkeys and Accounts option. Tap on that. After you do that, you'll find all of your accounts present here. If you scroll down all the way, you'll find Add Account option. Tap on Add Account and select Google. After you do that, it will start checking your information. Let it load. And then after you're on this page, you'll need to tap on Create Account. Then tap on if it's for your personal use or for your business. I'll just tap on personal use and then you'll need to create the account. For that, type in your name, tap on Next and put in the basic information, then your gender, then tap on Next. Then you'll need to create a new Google Accounts ID, that is your Google address. So type in an address, tap on Next, and if you don't know what to create, you can just type in your name and then tap on Next and they will give you a recommendation on what you can keep. After an address is accepted, you'll then need to create a password. So create a new password. It will prompt you. You can review your account info, then tap on Next again and agree to the terms and conditions. After you agree, you will then move on with the account creation. And if you want, you can add a secondary account there and everything else. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.